third time that one's knocked the other one.
Cool. I got it to work now. Where are
This
you?
is the hummingbirds fighting for food.
Ooh. Whew. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, I'll keep it right on this so you guys can see.
That one's hit the other one about 4 times now.
I know. There it is. Ooh. Dang. Oh my goodness, stop that nonsense. Oh!
Whoa, shit.
Oh!
I've had enough.
My feeder, no, my feeder. My feeder, no, my feeder.
I think that one got hurt a little bit.
I hope not. Quit hurting each other now. Stop it. No, no, no.
Show the cat too.
Let's get the cat in the house.
He should try to give him the top and tell him no. Don't you think?
I don't care what he's trying to do. I'm not going to let him get ate.
Come help you.
I ain't going to let him get ate. Where are they? Come on, you're messing up my video.
Right there.
Oh, there they are. Ooh.
Oh, Lord.
Lord.
I heard that one.
You go, girl. You get you
Watch
something.
out.
Ooh. 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 You guys behave. My goodness. Oh.
That's the green one. What's the other color?
Ooh. Oh, Lord.
Isn't that weird how she heard him coming up and ducked?
Uh-huh. Oh. Okay, I'm going to have to make you stars again on another video because nobody's going to watch this long. Oh, they don't want to stop. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Now I can't get the thing to stop. Couldn't get it on, now I can get it to stop. Push this button. Maybe there's something wrong with my hand. I can't get it to stop.